What if I told you the US Department of Education might not exist much longer? Yes. Hundreds of federal employees just got the axe, and the Supreme Court gave Donald Trump the green light to keep going. This could change American education forever. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court has sided with President Trump, allowing his administration to fire over 1,000 education department workers and take steps toward dismantling the agency altogether. This isn't just a staffing change, it's a political earthquake. Justice Sotomayor, in a fiery 19-page dissent, warned that this ruling gives Trump the power to ignore Congress just by firing the people responsible for carrying out the laws. She called it a serious threat to the Constitution's separation of powers. Now here's what this means in plain terms. Trump wants to shift control of school policy back to the states. To do that, he's cutting federal oversight fast. His executive order signed in March told Education Secretary Linda McMahon to start shutting down the department. McMahon responded by announcing a plan to cut nearly half the workforce, from 4,100 employees to just over 2,100. These aren't just desk jobs. Many of them were the people responsible for certifying student loan eligibility, managing federal education funding, and overseeing special education services. Some of those responsibilities are now being handed off, like student loans to the Small Business Administration and special education to Health and Human Services. But is this legal? That's still up for debate in the courts. A federal judge had previously blocked the mass firings, saying the administration didn't have the authority to gut the agency Congress created in 1979. The appeals court partly agreed, saying Trump can downsize, but not so much that the department can't function. Critics, including several Democrat-led states, say the cuts have already paralyzed the department's ability to serve schools and students. And legal experts warn the damage may be irreversible if the courts don't step in soon. The Biden-era workers were put on leave back in March. As of now, more than $7 million per month has been spent paying federal employees who legally can't even work, all while critical programs sit frozen. The Trump administration argues it's not about sabotage. They say it's about cutting red tape and giving power back to parents, teachers, and local governments. But let's be real. Dissolving a federal agency doesn't just reduce bureaucracy, it reshapes the entire system. So now the big question, is this a bold step towards smaller government or a dangerous power grab? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe and turn on notifications, because this isn't the last time Washington will make headlines like this.